Hi friends, this video shows how to install app from unknown sources and fix app not installed error. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. Go to settings. Tap on this settings app icon. Go down. Select security and privacy. Go down. Tap on more security settings. Tap on install unknown apps. Tap here. Here we can see list of apps. From this list we have to select one app for which we need to set this permission. So let me select Firefox. I am going to enable Firefox. So after this, using this Firefox browser, we can download and install Android APK file from unknown sources. Similarly, we can set this permission for other apps in the list. Okay, so after this, go back, then go back, then tap on app security. So here we can see two security settings, app protection and Google Play Protect. We can disable these two. First, let me go to app protection, then tap on these three dots, then go to app protection settings, then we can turn off app protection settings, then go back, then tap on Google Play Protect, tap on the settings icon, then we can turn off Google Play Protect. Done. So after this we can try to install app from unknown source. That should work. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please check it.